ERC, quality service since 1972, repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
You've clicked on the Weather Extreme video for February the 9th, Saturday. I'm ABC 3340 meteorologist Brian Peters with you for this rundown. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at some Skycam images this morning. I just love this shot from the Decatur Skycam as we're looking over the Tennessee River there. And then here's a shot from Hamilton looking back to the east, and we can see the sun rising. And then how about a westerly shot as the sun is coming up behind us down at Gulf Shores. And it certainly is a beautiful day. We certainly had one yesterday and going to have another one today. Dry cold front moving through the southeastern United States and especially through the state of Alabama, but you're not going to notice it much. Looks like about all you'll see is perhaps some high cirrus clouds and a slight wind shift as the wind comes around to the northwest, but I don't expect to see much even in the way of gusty winds. We're carving out a rather long trough over, rather broad trough over the eastern half of the country. Temperatures relatively mild this morning, as you can see, generally the 40s across Alabama and Georgia. We do have a few 30s up there in the northeast part of Georgia. A little closer look, and you can see that we got 32 down there at in the vicinity of Auburn and Opelika, and then we got a 36 at Alex City, a little bit chillier up into the Atlanta area, but for the most part, temperatures in the 40s this morning. And it is still kind of messy across the northern tier of the United States with a number of watches and warnings. We are expecting some rain, and that's good. It looks like for this 5-day period, this is ending on Thursday. Most of this rain should come Tuesday and into early Wednesday. Looks like about a half to 1 inch, a little bit less than what James was looking at yesterday. All right, let's go into the 06Z GFS model run. Here's the 500 millibar pattern for Sunday, tomorrow at midday. And we see we've got a large low just to the north of the Great Lakes, carving out a long wave trough over the eastern half of the country. And what that means for us is things about typical for this time of year, and we should stay dry. The long wave trough moves off to the east, and a new short wave is dropping in through the northern Rockies. That short wave drops into the Central Plains and begins to intensify, and as it does, we expect to see a little low-pressure area develop across the southeastern United States at the surface. By Wednesday, the little closed low has moved to about Dothan, and with it, our range should be ending by the morning hours on Wednesday. By Thursday, that little short wave is into the southwestern Atlantic, and a new short wave and a closed low is forming over the Four Corners area. That thing stays there on Friday, so it's going to be a little bit slow to kick out, but it begins to kick out on Saturday, and by midday Saturday, you can see it's located over about, Fayetteville, Arkansas, and with that, another surface low at the surface. This one also rather low latitude across the southeastern U.S. A little chilly over northern Arkansas. They might see some snow, but certainly nothing here except the potential for some rain. And then that rain heads on out on Sunday as surface high from the west fills in. All right, let's go out into Voodoo a little bit further. This is the 19th of February, and you can see we've still got the long wave trough over the eastern half of the country. That long wave trough changes by the 22nd as we have another sort of long wave trough over the whole U.S., but not as deep as we have seen in the past, as it's primarily affecting the area north of us. But that should bring us a period of some rain as a cold front is dragged in here with a good fetch of moisture out of the south. And then by the end of the period, around the 24th, once again, that long wave trough, but no sign right yet of the cold air really breaking loose, but that may come after the end of this voodoo period. Well, we certainly appreciate you tuning in to the Weather Extreme video from ABC 3340. Hope that you have a great Saturday. And don't forget, Storm Alert is coming up. We'll be in Northport at the Civic Center this coming Tuesday. The doors open at 5. Program starts at 7. Hope to see you there. Hope that you have a great weekend, and God bless.